Hello, Agnor Hurt. This is your principal, Mr. Granger. I hope that you and your family are doing well. My job as the principal is to work very closely with Mrs. Mays, your assistant principal, our front office staff, Mrs. Gordon and Mrs. Madison, TJ, our custodian and his team, and Mr. Floyd, our school nurse, to make sure that the school is safe, that it's well organized, and that teachers are equipped for teaching you everything you'll need to know in school.
Hi guys. For those of you who do not know me, I am Mrs. Mays and I am your assistant principal. And gosh, am I so happy we are finally here. This year, things may be a bit different, but in many ways, many things remain the same. Your teachers have been tirelessly working to prepare lessons and activities. We have spent a great deal of time ensuring that your learning spaces are both safe and fun. And I'm certain your families have been thinking about many of these same things too. Those thoughts are probably peppered with a little bit of anxiety and a whole lot of excitement, which is typical at the beginning of any year. As we enter into this new year and you connect with your teachers, I want you to remember something. You are an Agnor Hurt alligator. That's right, Gator, you're a gator. And that means a great deal. As gators, we take great pride in our ability to cooperate, to be assertive, to be respectful and responsible, empathetic, and self-controlled in our actions. If you ask me, there is not a more loving and caring community to be a part of. Whether you are brand new to our building or you are a returning student, please know that we are so excited to have you with us, and we wish you a wonderful start to this 2020-2021 school year. Let's go Gators.
Welcome to Agnor Hurt PE, also known as Gator Nation.
We look forward to teaching you how to be
Healthy, active,
and fit.
Ooh.
Hi everybody, my name is Mr. Davis. I'm going to be working with you this year in the PE department. I have over 20 years of experience and I'm looking forward to the challenge of teaching you virtually this year.
Hey Agnor Hurt family and community, I am Mr. Muhammad. Can't wait to see you guys this year. I know it's going to be a different year. We won't be here to see you guys in person, but I can't wait to teach you guys PE, get you moving with you and your family, and we're going to have a great year.
Hey, thanks, Mr. Muhammad. I am Mr. Rivard. I've been teaching for 18 years, 11 years right here at Agnor Hurt. Looking forward to working with you guys, getting your areas set up at home for you to move, stay healthy and fit. Look forward to working with you and your families all year long.
Dreams bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you.
Hey everybody, it's Mr. B. I'm the music teacher here. I just want to let everybody know it's going to be a fantastic year. We got some great music activities. You're going to love doing them from home, and I can't wait to see y'all when things settle down. Bye for now.
The time that I remembered when I never felt so lost, when I felt like.
Hi guys, welcome to Agnor Hurt. My name is Christy Lopez and I'm going to be your art teacher. I look forward to this year. We are going to be talking about what it means to be an artist, the different kinds of ways that you can create your art and find your voice. And we're going to set up our art studios at home. I have been teaching art for 10 years here, and I have two children who come here also, Elliot and Natalie. Elliot is in 4th grade and Natalie is going to be in kindergarten.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Schaefer. I'm the librarian here at Agnor Hurt. And to all of my returning students and families, I am looking forward to seeing you on Zoom this year. It's going to be a different kind of year, but we're going to make it a great one. And to all the new families and new kindergartners, you're going to love it here. This is a wonderful school community, and we can't wait to see you.
All right. Hi guys, it's Mr. Floyd, your nurse. Excited to see you back as you're able to come to school. this year the clinic will be in the art room from last year, so which will be a change. And some things will be different in the clinic, but I am definitely here for you and want you to be healthy and safe, and I'm looking forward to seeing each of you. Take care and keep wearing your masks and washing your hands.
Hey everyone, it's me, Miss Heath. I'm one of the school counselors here this year. And as you can see, I chose a lovely day to come into Agnor Hurt and to introduce myself to you guys. Actually, every day at Agnor Hurt is a lovely day. So I'm looking forward to meeting every single one of you and getting to work with you this year, even though it's a crazy world and we'll be virtual for a while. If you guys need anything, please feel free to reach out. I look forward to meeting you and working with you. Have a great year.
Hey everyone, my name is Ms. Holmstrom, and I'm the new school counselor here at Agnor Hurt this year. I'm so lucky I get to work with Miss Heath. We're going to make a great team. I'm standing in the rain wearing Mr. Granger's rain jacket, but that's how much I care about this school, and it's going to be awesome. Can't wait to meet you. Bye.
I'm here in the lobby of Agnor Hurt, where many of you have been before, and all of you will someday be. You'll notice that I'm wearing a mask. Anytime you're in the hallway at our school or visiting, make sure you have this on.
Welcome back, Gators! Don't forget to eat your vegetables and fruit. Have a great year!
Hi guys, it's Mrs. Mays, your assistant principal.
I'm Ms. Holmstrom. I'm a new counselor with Miss Heath this year.
And we're here at Agnor Hurt. We're so excited school's about to start. If you need school supplies, please let us know. Our friends at Cornerstone Church donated all these supplies for us. So, si necesitas útiles escolares, llamar a la escuela para pedir una hora para recogerlos. Have a great day. Can't wait to see you.
Bye guys.
We have a saying here at Agnor Hurt. We say, once a Gator, always a Gator. So if you're a fifth grader and you've been here forever, or if you're in kindergarten and this is your very first day, this is our school, and we love you.